Yippee! It's time to say yes to 5 youthful, yippee, and yow-worthy Y words. The image explains the word Yale lock as a special lock that opens with a small flat key. It shows a door with a key turning inside, helping kids understand how some doors stay safely locked. The image explains the word yacht as a big boat used for sailing. It shows a colorful yacht on water, helping kids understand that a yacht is a special boat people ride for fun or travel. The image explains the word Yahoo as a fun word we shout when we're really excited. It shows 2 happy children cheering with a megaphone, helping kids understand that Yahoo is something we say when we feel super joyful. The image explains the word Yachtsman as someone who sails and drives boats. It shows a friendly sailor holding a small yacht while 2 children watch, helping kids understand that a yachtsman is a person who travels on water in a boat. The image explains the word Yammer as talking too much about something. It shows a boy talking a lot and 2 kids listening, helping children understand what it means to keep talking without stopping. Yay for Y words, you nailed it. Now let's zoom ahead to Z.
So, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our journey.